In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo and favicon of your GoHighLevel agency account. We'll walk through this step by step so you can fully brand your agency dashboard and make it look and feel like your own platform. Make sure you're already logged into your GoHighLevel agency account before you begin. First, head over to your agency launchpad. This is usually the main screen you see when you log in, where you can access your most important agency tools. If you're not on that page yet, you can get there by clicking on the Launchpad option in your top navigation or side menu, depending on your layout. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the Settings option. It's typically located on the left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where most of your account-wide configuration lives, including your company details and branding options. Inside Settings, you'll see several tabs or sections. Find and click on the section labeled Company. This area controls your agency level information, such as your business name, contact details, and branding settings that carry across the entire platform. Within the company section, look for a tab or subsection called White Label. Click on White Label. This is where you can customize how GoHighLevel appears to your users, including changing your logo and favicon so it looks like your own software. On the White Label page, you'll see a logo section. In that section, there will be an option or button labeled Replace. Click on Replace. This will open a file picker window from your computer. Now, from your device, select the new logo file you want to use. For best results, choose a high-quality image with a transparent background, usually a PNG. Make sure the dimensions match GoHighLevel's recommended size so it doesn't appear stretched or blurry. After you've selected the file, confirm your choice by clicking Done or the equivalent confirmation button in the upload window. Once you've done that, GoHighLevel will automatically upload and apply your new logo. The platform usually saves these changes automatically, so you don't have to look for a separate save button. Give it a moment, then refresh your page or navigate around the app to see your new branding in action. Your favicon, which is the small icon that appears in the browser tab, will also update if it's included in your white label settings. And that's it. You've successfully updated the logo and favicon for your GoHighLevel agency account, giving your clients a fully branded,